welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on the balloon arch that I told you. So I already started with it. I already blew a lot of balloons. They're all over here, different sizes. So what I did was cover a small water bottle with a balloon and tied it to the string. And all I'm doing is adding 4 balloons. So all you have to do is get your 2 different color balloons. In this case, I'm getting this pearl kind of, the white balloons and the pink, twisting them like that, just like that. And then you have one of each color. So you see white, pink, white, pink. And then all you have to do is put it in order, like where it goes. So I'm just gonna put it in here. And as you can see, the balloons are going towards one direction. So all you have to do is put it in there and twist the string in there one time. And then if you want, twist it, tie it to the next balloon, and that's how you start making the balloon arch. So I am going to go ahead and continue making this, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so as you guys can see, I already did a lot here, but now what you want to do is just, make sure they're not too tight, so you can fix them however you want them to be. So right now I am going to continue. I still have a lot of string, and then I'll be right back to show you guys how I add the small balloons. Alright guys, so I already put a lot of the big balloons, bigger size balloons. Now I'm going to start off by adding the smaller balloons, and it's going to be the same exact thing. You're just going to twist and start adding your balloons. Just like that. Twist and add your balloon. So now I'm gonna keep on adding the smaller balloons, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so here's the finished product. This bottom part, all I'm doing is adding more balloons and taping them. So that's all I'm doing. So I'm gonna make it a little bit more thicker down here. So this is what it looks like. I already hang it from the ceiling and I put it over there. So all those pink balloons right there, the little ones, all I'm doing is taping them to the arch.
Hello.
And look at this guys, I found this cute little sofa at Ross. I already had those pillows. So this will be where the pictures are gonna be taken, the backdrop and everything. So this is what the balloon arch is looking like. All right guys, so this is what the backdrop looks like. So
can you see the ladder in the back?
oh yeah, that's okay. All right, so this is what it looks like.
Whoa.
I'm just gonna have to center the rug right there. but this is the backdrop. Now onto the table. All right, guys, so here's what the table looks like. And I just added, I already had these centerpieces done for a wedding. So I just added them there. There's a number 6. There's another centerpiece. So that's what it looks like. And then over here, I'm gonna put the table where the food is gonna be. So there's that. Stay tuned so I can show you what it looks like when I hang the chandeliers. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. And here are the chandeliers. And I just added some seating on the sides. Here's where the the sandwiches and chips are gonna be. There's a finished arch right there. That's where pictures are gonna, and the gifts are gonna take place right here. There's the other table where the cake is gonna be. More seating. And here's the other table. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.